So I've added on my bug shirt just because there's so many bugs back here. Path is kind of overgrown. It's enjoyed all this humidity and rain. So this is video number 3 for my walk to the waterfall that I'm taking you on. A lot of the photos that I post come from these back trails. It's really kind of quiet back here. In some parts it's really kind of hard to see the trail. On the way before I started filming this section, it was overgrown and I just had to know where it was. When I get back, I need to change my clothes and put these in the washing machine because, well, you never know when you step on something that you shouldn't have. It's kind of hard to watch out for all the plants that like to cause trouble. Poison ivy, poison oak, and all that. So, oh look, here's a mushroom. So it's always wise to just throw them right in the washing machine and get them all clean for the next truck. I really like these pink flowers. They're very small, but pretty. And looks like we got some muck up here. Oh, look at this guy. Did you see him? Oh. Oh, he let us take his picture. Okay. Let's see if we can get around this muck. The sound you're hearing is part of the waterfall. Can you see it through there? We're going to get a better view of it. I think I'm probably just going to upload this to YouTube. That way I don't have to close it up because we're almost there. It's just up this hill. Now, when the water level is just right, the falls looks really good. I thought it was when the waterfall was, when there was a lot of water, but that wasn't so. The lower level has to be low enough to make the waterfall. Oh, there's a little wildflower. So it's over here. Let's see, we'll go this way and see if we can see the waterfall today. Oh, not yet. It's more of a rapid still. But the breeze is wonderful. There's some erosion here. You have to be careful in climbing down. But in the wintertime, all this freezes over, mostly. So it's a slippery, slushy ice that I usually don't chance on it because you never know. It never gets thick enough because, as you can see, the water does still move. And it does underneath, so that would make it unsafe. But this is the waterfall area that I like to go to. And I hope you enjoyed your walk to the waterfall with Mary Vee.